1 minute late.
I know, I just saw that.
No.
1 minute late.
When I was walking
Yes.
through. Hola.
Yes.
Hola, buenos días.
Dice. Yeah, vivo.
That's right. And the back.
The more they advise you, my
job is to protect the spinach.
Más o menos. ¿Por qué? Está linda, es grande, lleva mucha gente. ¿No? ¿Cuánta gente lleva?
muchas chicas.
Lleva muchas chicas ahí arriba.
Ah, sí.
¿Sí? ¿Cuántas puede llevar? ¿Una 20? 20 chicas. ¿Lo puedes pasar? No tenés fuerza, ¿no? No tienes fuerza. Ahora sí tienes fuerza. ¡Dale, caballo! I just love, I feel like home. These countries, I feel like home.
A tu lado vivirán y se hablarán como cuando estás conmigo y hasta creerán que se dirán.
Buen negocio, ¿verdad? Ahorita un negocio de estos. Autos antiguos.
Look at these guys. They're cutting the grass with machetes.
$55,000.
What?
No.
Él dijo 55.
No cuesta nada, ¿no?
He was a young guy.
Está
He was
bromeando,
just
¿no?
making a
¿No
joke.
está? He's true.
Really?
$55,000. 55,000 COCs. And the economy here is crazy. That's $65,000.
65 or
60,
55?
no, it's 55 CUCs. CUCs is more valued than US dollars.
65 US.
65,000 US dollars. What a gem, huh? Man, this one has a lot of history. Why so serious? Misha's turn to be serious. Hey Misha, your feet. They're not on the right spot. 10 minutes later we are here. And we are waiting for the person that's supposed to watch the screening process. And they're not here. So more waiting. Now on to operations to file our flight plan.
Maxine, is that around?
Yeah, they're around.
Yeah, okay, good.
Okay, good. Ahora vamos a pagar, ¿no?
Sí, van a ir al avión primero, al helicóptero. Ya, si quiere, ya nos montamos.
¿Dónde es pagar? ¿Dónde es?
Aquí en la terminal 3, allá, el edificio cuadrado, que se vea. No, pero vamos aquí en el
Entonces colocamos las cosas en el helicóptero.
Sí, sí.
¿Es tu trabajo? Acá se trabaja bien en Habana. They work well, eh? File plan.
Yeah,
File.
fantastic.
He used the same data that we used before, 020.
020, I love it.
¿Ya fue aprobado para
2000? Yeah.
Ya, no, pero ya le puse. Lo puse para las 8, ya pedí. Aquí muerde.
¿Qué pasó con ese ahí?
Es una escuela. Eso era una compañía que cubana tenía el avión arrendado y la compañía quebró. Y el avión quedó ahí y ahora es una escuela.
¿Una escuela?
Sí.
¿Escuela de qué? Rápido, bum.
2-3 horas estamos aquí.
2-3 horas estamos acá.
Okay.
3 hours, you will be back, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Enjoy prison.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, bye guys.
Tell me how prison food is like. Two. Get the cone out of the way. Step 3. You can't jump high enough. Get a water bottle.
Oh, that's close.
There you go. Water bottle work. Check.
Very clever.
At Marty Ground, it's helicopter Robinson R66, Golf Echo Alpha Kilo.
Confirm. Charlie Golf Echo Alpha Kilo Ground Go.
Affirmative, Charlie Golf Echo Alpha Kilo, requesting permission to start up. Let me go.
Mati, buenos días, Cubana 801, próximo tablet localizado pista 6.
Entire Tower, it's Canadian Charlie Golf Echo Alpha Kilo holding short of 06 on Alpha.
Charlie Alpha Kilo Marty Tower, continue to lighten up runway 06 after departure. Then right heading 090, contact ground, correction, contact 120.3, wind 100 degrees 6 knots, clear for takeoff runway 06.
120.3, turn right to a heading of 090 degrees, and Echo Alpha Kilo.
I want you on the runway. I know he wants me on the runway, but there was jet blast there. I don't want that jet blast. 090, I was cleared the 060 degree radial. Well, sort of. Our original clearance was a heading of 060 for 20 miles, climbed to 3,000 feet, and then direct to Maxime, which is here.
I just want to confirm my original clearance was 060 for 20 miles, and then to Maxime. Do you still want me to hold the 090 degree radial?
Contact 120.3.
1203.
Go ahead. Approach.
And approach is helicopter Canadian Golf Echo Alpha Kilo with you now.
Charlie Golf Echo Alpha Kilo, Havana, good morning, sir. Ready camp at 3,000 feet to your right, maintain heading 090 due to traffic.
Super nervous.
Yeah.
And then I tell her, look, calm down. She's super stressed. And I said, okay, the deal I was supposed to give her 190.
Yeah.
And she gave me 200, right?
Yeah.
But she did a mistake, she gave me 200. I said, no. You have to keep $10. I'll give you $10 so you can go. Maybe.
And they might have camera, exactly. Like, you don't know, right?
And for her, it was kind of nice to have that money, right?
Right.
So it was quite an experience.
So we're not gonna have to update customs.
No,
that's fine. As long as you're within a 15-minute window. 10 minutes away from Key West right now. There we are. There's Key West, Florida. And this has been an awesome short little journey here. We were a little worried yesterday, mostly about just again weather getting out of Cuba, flight planning, IFR flight planning and everything. Weather turned out to be, I would say, amazing. I mean, it could be better, but I'm not going to complain. Have some big TCUs kind of billowing around and stuff, but we were able to request down.
We have seen worse than that.
We've definitely seen worse than that, that's for sure. And we're just noticing like a massive color change. Like, this is beautiful blue here, but look at like the turquoise blue of that water right over there. That's just absolutely crazy. So yeah, we're gonna be 10 more minutes here, landing in Key West. We are back into the North American continent. That's a big milestone. We were just saying that almost feels like we're home. I know that we're like thousands of miles away from home, but just kind of being back on the continent again. It feels good. It feels like a big chunk of the journey is complete. And
we've been to Central America, we've been to South America, we've been to Caribbean, back North America.
Back to North America. It's a big milestone.
693,
so very cool.
7 miles east of the field.
Canadian Golf Echo Alpha Kilo, Key West ground.
Yeah, we're over at the customs box for Echo Alpha Kilo, requesting departure direct northbound. 100 feet, just departed Key West, like to transit your zone. We're northbound right now.
Oh, I love the U.S.
So easy, huh?
It's so easy.
You love the U.S. and the water.
Yeah.
Look at this guy ripping it. These guys down here.
Yeah,
There's like
4 of them.
4 of them.
Yeah. Oh, that was a fun little experience there, eh? Those guys are hilarious, man.
These guys here. Yeah, they were super nice.
Super nice. Just
judge a book by its cover.
Yeah. We are hopping over that right there, and then we're heading to change of plans. We were going direct to Savannah, but we didn't end up fueling up in Key West. It's just expensive and it's going to take too long, so we're just going to go to this small airport over here called Ipocal. That is the plan for right now. We got a pretty big day ahead of us still.
Water is right there. How high are we right now?
200 feet.
200 feet off the water.
Yeah.
And can't see anything for more than half a mile.
Yep, half mile viz. Loving it.
Rain is coming down. You can hear it all around us. Just off the coast of Florida right now.
We are off the coast of Florida.
Trying just to get to land.
About to hit the Everglades.
How many miles are we off the coast right now?
Not much. 3.
2 miles off coast.
I can see the land. I see the land!
Oh yeah, I see it too. launch here.
Yeah.
Make sure there.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yep.
Oh my word. Yeah, we got a mile now.
This is so bad, man. We got so far to go. Is it? Yeah, it better start lifting because we got like 45 minutes of this to do.
What?
All this. Unless it starts lifting.
Yeah, yeah. Let's hope this cell ends soon.
Yeah.
See this? Yep.
Follow every inlet here. I can see over there, but I don't want to go across.
There.
Now we have to hop somewhere because there's an inlet.
Trees up.
Yeah.
Trees here.
Yeah, I got it.
Here, well, here. Right side. Mission.
That's where I want to go.
What's that?
That shoreline. Oh man, we're going into the inlet here. We gotta go left whenever possible.
Well, that's safer.
I know, but we need to get across. They're going the wrong way right now.
What's this here?
Yeah, it's an island. It's okay. This is gonna help us get across here.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
You're really inside the heavy stuff.
No, we're getting on the other side.
No,
now.
I'm seeing here.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. But you can see it ahead there. There's an opening. Otherwise, we run out of fuel.
Okay, you can see that.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna open up.
Yeah, it will. It will. Yeah.
The bad part right here. Man, that was, we were in it.
Yeah, we were in it, all right. What's our longer range looking like? It's lightening up, eh? We're right in the heart of it there.
Sorry?
We're right
What's the
in
longer
heart.
range like weather?
Yeah, we
Right
got
in
in
the
here,
heart.
see that?
Yeah.
We went through here.
Yeah.
But we don't know if this is something or not.
So light goes to green.
Go to Kilo Romeo Sierra Whiskey. There's no right now. The Kilo, so Kilo
No, where's
Alpha,
that?
Kilo Alpha, Papa Fox. 28 minutes.
I know. See if we can go direct.
Kilo Mike, Kilo Yankee, right? That tip, right? Right there, that tip.
Yeah.
At the end.
Yeah.
Left side? Right in front.
Yeah, like the little piece of land sticking out. That's like 8 miles away. Yeah. That's fun. That's gorgeous. Wow. I missed it. Shoot. There was another manta ray, and just a couple minutes earlier we saw a shark. Probably like an 8-foot shark or something. Dealt with some airspace stuff, some bad weather stuff. We got down pretty low on the altitude and speed. We dropped a little bit of speed. We were down to probably about a half a mile or so. And yeah, now just trying to see some sea life. 12 minutes away from our fuel stop now, so definitely looking forward to getting a good dose of fuel and then keep on going.
Now we are 3 miles out, steady, bound for landing.
We'll make it very obvious that we're looking for fuel.
This is what happens to your helicopter blade. You fly through really heavy rainstorms. The rain just like completely scratches the paint off. Look at that. And that can be actually pretty bad for it. So we gotta fix it soon.
There we go. Home.
Wait, did they say nice paint job?
Yeah. Well, follow the coast.
Yeah, we're following.
Gonna overfly Disney World.
We're like 8 miles away. It's like right over here somewhere.
Let's go really fast. Right like on the border there.
Yeah, right on the border.
I want to see the castle.
The castle. North of Florida now.
Epcot Center is right. If you guys can see, this is the huge, massive globe that's at Epcot is right there. Right there.
Right on. This, you guys, is Disney World right here. Orlando is just out over this way here. We are getting into the heart of Florida here, guys.
Oh, Disney, is that the castle right there?
Oh, the castle.
Yeah. than 3%, my computer's gonna shut down.
Savannah is at the sea.
It's Canadian, Charlie, Golf, Echo, Alpha, Kilo.
The city over there somewhere. Oh, nothing right. Yeah, the wind's off to the left, so we're on our
We are? No.
No.
We're doing a tour around the world. We are 3 of us going around.
Her face is just so
like Hilton
genuine.
Head or HHH.com.
So genuine. Her reaction is so genuine. I can't believe it.
Tour.com is what it says. Big sticker.
She doesn't believe it. Look at her. Look at her face, so nice.
Wow.
Yeah, we are. We are.
You have a washroom?
Yeah, right down here to the left.
Charlie Golf Echo Alpha Kilo, do you see the bonanza that's on the taxiway, right of runway, 2,000 feet down from the approach end, turning into the FBO?
I believe I got him a sight there for Echo Alpha Kilo.
That's where you need to shoot for, third line taxiway Bravo, beam the signature ramp, that's where the bonanza is now.
Go, you take control.
Okay, beam the signature ramp by the Bonanza for Echo Alpha Kilo.
It's a big airport. Look at that commercial.
I know.
2 commercial ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, people come here to do some fishing.
You saw that? You saw the aircraft? Or is I think so. He's off the taxiway now.
Have a good night. Main this frequency, Echo Alpha Kilo.
Right there. She like us right there. She's from Savannah, Georgia. How did you know? Nice. Blowing her hat off.
And we landed in Savannah.
38 minutes.
Savannah, Georgia. 37. 38. 38. Make it 38.
38, make it 38, 38. Wow, we made it, guys.
That's very neat. Savannah, Georgia. Georgia.
Yeah.
Right here, friend Joe came all the way from Atlanta. Big fan, right, of Epic Tour? Thank you very much.
Man, no, I gotta watch that tour.
Yeah,
That's you guys are rock stars. Damn, I mean,
we don't feel like rock stars.
He came all the way to meet us here.
How many hours?
Really appreciate it.
Just a 4-hour ride.
Just a 4-hour ride.
Well, it's not like a 9-hour flight in a little bitty helicopter.